Yo, what is going on guys? My name is Ticklers. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my thumbnails. And I'm sorry guys for not doing videos for a while because I've been so busy with school. But I'm trying my best to do videos for you guys. Anyways, this is my first tutorial and some people has requested this tutorial, how I might make my thumbnails on Photoshop. But this is just a speed art and hope you guys enjoy it. With that said, let's get started.
I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show